India just submitted its new climate report card to the United Nations, and the numbers are worth paying attention to. Every few years, countries file a document called an NDC, Nationally Determined Contribution, with the UN. It is a formal pledge that says, here's exactly what we will do to fight climate change, and here's how we will measure it. India just filed its targets for 2031 to 2035. Target 1: Pollute less per rupee earned. India aims to cut the carbon intensity of its economy by 47% by 2035, measured against 2005 levels. In plain terms, the same unit of economic output should require nearly half the pollution it did 2 decades ago. The encouraging part: India has already achieved 36% of this target as of 2020. It is on track and the momentum is real. Target 2: 60% clean electricity by 2035. Solar, wind, hydro, and nuclear would together make up 60% of India's total electricity capacity. India currently sits at 52%, meaning it needs just 8 more percentage points over the next 9 years. Experts believe India could hit this benchmark as early as 2028, 7 years ahead of schedule. Solar capacity alone grew 26% in the last year. Target 3: Let the forest do the work. India aims to absorb 3.5 to 4 billion tons of CO2 through forests and green cover by 2035. For scale, that's roughly the European Union's entire carbon footprint for 2 years, absorbed by Indian trees. India has already clocked 2.29 billion tons in absorption since 2005. India has consistently argued that developed nations must fund developing countries' climate transitions, a position the Center for Science and Environment reinforced, noting that India is already putting more than its fair share. For context, the EU has committed to cutting carbon emissions by 90% from 1990 levels by 2040. China has pledged a 7 to 10% cut from its peak emissions. The UN acknowledges that if all countries honor their pledges, global emissions will fall, but not fast enough to prevent worsening climate impacts. So, are India's target emissions enough? Drop your take below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.